I am Train Melon, and I present to all of you the story of trains. Get there. Pray by me at the end, along with ding dong and think roll, let's go. Spirit Week, Wednesday, Thursdays, and Friday. Now it's Wednesday of senior citizen at Henry White High School. Today, everyone's supposed to dress up in purple. So, I see lots of people in purple suits. Not many. How about you, Nadine? I have to take off my coat first. In class, Edward pushes Bruno alongside Thomas. Hi, guys. Bruno! What are you doing here? I heard that Bruno would be coming along with us today. I heard Spirit Week was happening and had to check it out. Well, today we're wearing purple today. This is the purple I wore today, and I'm wearing the same jeans as I did yesterday. Everyone's wearing lots of different stuff today.
But so far, most of them are not purple.
You are supposed to wear purple today? Stuart's right, Bruno. You are supposed to wear purple today. So far, I didn't see anyone wearing purple. Hey, Lacey's coming. Maybe she's wearing purple.
Look at her hair. It is purple.
Not real, of course.
Yeah, not real, but it still counts. Yeah, Lazy, like the purple color.
And
Purple shoes.
I'm not wearing too short, seriously.
Oh, wow. Lazy then pulled Thomas, Stuart, and Bruno back.
Lots of people are wearing different colors.
But not all of them are purple. I see pink, green, white, and blue. But everyone's supposed to wear purple today, so it's true. Good thing Lacey's all purpled up. Purple up? AKA wearing purple. Later on, we saw purple flags. The purple flag up there is a good way for the day.
Million be careful. We're all supposed to wear purple.
I see lots of people wearing purple. Not everyone's wearing purple, y'all three. Yes, we know. Later. What's wrong? Nuts, you three. I can't get back in the room. My classroom is down this hallway on the first floor, but the ladies down there are stopping me. Oh no, and fourth lunch is almost here.
You need to get your stuff, Nadine.
They know, but what am I gonna do? On the bright side, the class with disability are playing outside. Those are your special friends. Special because they have special disabilities. I mean, they do have disabilities. Aren't we all? Aren't all kids with disabilities special?
Yep.
Well, I finally got my bag. But, the class with disabilities outside. Yes, the CRI kids or whatever, something. They're one of my best friends. A whole class as your best friend? They all have disabilities, Thomas. So do I. I guess I know I'm higher than them between zero-eye kids and the normal kid, but I still want to spend time with them.
Well, you better try something quick.
Yeah, I heard you seniors only have 20 days left. You gotta try something, and fast. I know. Oh, I'm running out of ideas. Oh dear. Whoa! Check it out. I spelled my name. Nadine. Nadine. Me. What? Oh, and you used a glue gun. That was great spelling. Hey, we're in here again. My teacher, Miss Haynes. I don't know why. We're in here. She came back earlier. She was busy testing. I heard it was testing. Yeah, probably. Later outside. Now we're outside. Uh-oh. Sibs, they're not putting out the buses up there.
Oh, look, we're on our own.
Good thing Lacey's bus and my bus come way after all these other buses leave. So we don't have to worry. That's good to know. Hey, why is Jaden on this bus? He's in 539. I know. They've been getting on this podcast because they've been saying 539 takes too long. A lot. What? What is about the rainy day? It said that students would dress up like senior citizens. Senior citizens? In other words, old people.
Oh man, old woman, that.
Yep, I'm in this old church. It makes me feel like an old man. Like in a retirement home. You may look like an old man, but I think he can sound like an old man.
What do you think? I can't sound like one? Huh? Iron Man back in 1953. Iron Man back in 1953. I did something. I can't believe it.
I think we get the picture. Yeah, he got it. Older than me. Even I'm that old. Not so old, you're old. You're old too, son. All of us three were built back in the day, so we're way past our prime. Hey! You still got puffed up in them, right? For the most part, yeah. Well, Bloom, he's down. I see lots of people just like old people. Old man. Exactly.
Lots of people are dressing down like old mans.
I know, right? Ah, that Dean, your teacher, isn't here. Where is he?
He's late. I remember back in 1953, I always had to wonder around my teachers.
Wow, you really got this sound like an old man character down. Hey, why are we going Matt the Birdman? Oh, they get something. Well, it's crazy. People are confused where to go. I'm looking for you, but I think I got it now. Right, lunch.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen.
You trying to get lunch, Nadine?
Grab your tray.
He sure is.
Your laptop. Your phone.
I know, time to go. Wow, Sid. That's a celebration. The answer became clear as someone proposed for him for the prom dance, coming up soon. Oh, wow! submissive. That is submissive.
Can you read the sign?
No. 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 Awesome. There's Mavis.
Mavis?
Nickname. Yeah. Look at her go. It's like a fashion show at school.
It's a school fashion show.
Hey, how does this happen? Hey, that thing's like a helicopter.
Well, that was a good runway.
Sure was. Anyone who came this out, I know, we were raised.
We all were. Now, can you read the sign? Still can't read it. Well, Daddy got pretty active.
But we'll never know what that sign says. I don't think we'll ever know. Nadine, we've been thinking. What?
And you know what you seniors need before y'all leave?
What? A field day. Y'all seniors need a field day. A field day would sound... A field day? That sounds nice. Hey, Nadine, why are you getting lunchbox and not the rest of you? I'm gonna give Oreo cookies to Caleb when I see him.
Don't mean Isaiah, because the kids say don't like minties.
And all I have in your butt bag is Minties. Yes, that's it.
Lots of people on the beach now.
They're probably returning from lunch. Oh.
Whoa. Whoa. Devin and the old timers. Now they really look like senior citizens.
Really? They look really old.
Where's this crowd going? Are they carrying windmills?
think they are. But what are they doing? Where are they going?
Hi, Nadine.
Hi. Where are they going? Where are they going with the windmills? This is weird.
Alright, we're open the door for him. Look, Nadine. Hey, y'all. I'm Nadine's girlfriend. Hey, y'all. Hey.
Hello. Hi. Hi.
Wow, Nadine. Lots of people really dressing down like seniors.
It's awesome. Now you're on your way to work, Mom?
And I was going on that phone at the beginning of time because I was doing my thing, like this here for me. I didn't even bring it.
Why are these coming from the tennis court?
Lacey speeds in.
Lacey! And now we're outside at dismissal.
Hi, Lacey.
Wow. So far, almost everyone looks like senior citizens.
Yeah, senior citizens. In other words, old people.
And the team did a very good impression of an old person. He sounded just like one.
I do have a good. I remember back in the day. When high school was very small. But now it's huge. There's so many people.
Yep, you still got it.
So Lacey, what are you supposed to wear tomorrow? Red, white, and blue.
Red, white, and blue. Like the American flag.
I think I might have a red, white, and blue shirt, you three.
Maybe. Hi.
You might have a red, white, and blue shirt? Oh. What about you, Lacey? You got any red, white, and blue?
I do got blue pants.
Well, yeah. I'm literally wearing blue pants.
That's a very faded type of blue.
Oh, yeah. The pants, the blue jeans I wore yesterday were more like blue. But now, it's just a little dark blue.
Well, we are going to start red,
And you
white,
wouldn't believe
and
what
blue.
my mom said yesterday when I got off the bus.
What was it, Lacey?
I couldn't stop Janet and I'm forgetting on 32 again. Ring 532.
Why at the beginning of 532?
Because they say it comes earlier than 539. They come around 4:30.
They need to learn to wait.
I know!
Yep, that's your bus, Lacey. And she's very happy to get on it. Now today's Friday.
And today we're supposed to dress up as red, white, and blue. Or soldiers. What are you wearing, Nadine?
I'm just wearing a soldier shirt.
Oh, why you long face, Nadine? Yeah, Nadine. You feel sad.
Us seniors only have 60 more days left here.
Don't you mean? I mean 15.
Oh, 15.
15 more days left? Oh, dear, Nadine. Your time here's running out.
I know.
Oh, dear. The seniors' time is running out soon. 17 more days left. But we'll make you remember. Remember? All these hallways. All these floors. Like lots of friends we met along the way.
I know, Father, but really? So, I'm gonna miss walking these halls.
Yes, it was such a thrill coming to this school. And all the great friends we've met. what I'm wearing today. Hi, sweet young green. Oh, yeah, you got painted red when you came. And you came to us, Salty. Yeah. Don't do miss me in green livery. Man, I'm really gonna miss this place. I'm on Sib. We only have 15 more days left here. So we gotta make the most of it. We'll try. See, we only have 15 more days. It's true. Thank you, I'll have to come here every day. Good thing you'll be here for the whole day today. That's where you're wrong, Thomas, unfortunately. Why? What's happening later on? I'll tell you later. So later, on our way to third mod with Lacey. So why so down, Nadine? Or what's this you can't tell us? Oh, now that Lacey's here, I might as well tell y'all. Days picked me up early today. What? Oh, we're gonna miss the rest of the day.
Wait, they didn't pick up early?
Unfortunately, yes. Oh, why I'm sorry getting picked up now. Got this job to be in Rockville. Rockville? Oh, boots! And today's Spirit Week. We're gonna miss everything else happening here.
But will you be back tomorrow?
Today's Friday.
I mean, Monday.
Yeah. So frustrating.
Cheer up.
Wednesday is picking you up. At 12:30. Not again. Oh no, get me out! Get me out! Get me out of here! Thank you. Jeez, that's the second time I got stuck in the elevator. How come you're still here, Dad, to come get you? It's probably taking a long time. Maybe there's traffic. Hopefully we'll stay long enough. Yeah. Don't want to leave, but I have to. It's like a half day, and I don't want it. And we only have 2 weeks left of school before our seniors have to say, before our seniors
What's
leave.
the color of your commute? On the Virginia Railway
Nice.
Express, it's green. Green for the dollars you save and green for the reduction
It's
in
real
carbon
close
footprint.
right down here at
Right
this
away.
end.
Well, probably we'll catch a load they're having at school the next week or so. If we're still here, though, guess we'll try to catch whatever stuff we can just before we leave.
Stores in Maryland that are licensed to sell recreational
Just have to wait and
marijuana are
see.
racing for big 420 crowds. They're beefing up staffing levels.
But later in Rockville, a train was coming.
Can you see a train?
No, but the crossing's activating. Oh, and that. Is her house close to it? No, kind of we're close to it and not this far away. What train is it? It sounds like a... Yep, it's a freight train. A long, very long See as a freight train pass by.
Come here, not bad.
As the freight train became passed by, it started to rain. So I put the car into accessory mode and activate the windshield wipers.
Train.
Freight trains are long.
Oh, okay.
Like, is that even heard that? The freight train's gone. With the train gone, the gates go back up and the lights stop flashing.
And green and brown and blue, they're the really useful crew. All the different roles that play around in the shed so far away. Down the hills and round the bends, Thomas and his friends. Thomas, he's the cheeky one. James, his fame but lots of fun. Percy, pulls a mail on time. Gordon, thunders down the line. Emily, really knows her stuff. Toots and huffs and puffs. Edward wants to